Hey Siri, play new No Pros RC.
Okay.
Do a little brief review on this SIMREX monster truck 1/18 scale electric 4-wheel drive for ages 6 and up. And it's coming up next on this episode of No Pros RC. I found this guy at the Goodwill for like under $10, and this is what she looks like. Some nice tread on the tires. She doesn't look like she's been used at all. The tire tread pattern looks great on all 4 wheels. I like the way it's set up. You know, it has some nice springs in the back and some nice springs in the front. The overall look of the RC is good. I mean, it comes in different colors. I've never heard of this company before, SIMREX. It has some whole metal bearings inside of it, hydraulic shock absorbers. So she looked like she can take some jumps, which we will put to the test, by the way. And it comes with this controller here. Trigger controller. She does have forward, reverse, left and right. Not sure what these 2 buttons right here do. They do nothing. Okay. Yeah, so the controller itself takes 2 AA batteries, and this guy is USB charged. So that was the only thing that was not in the box, was the USB. So I found that on Amazon for like $7 and some change, prime shipping. So that should be here shortly. It also states that the range is better indoors versus outdoors. So that kind of sucks. But, you know, again, we can test all that out once we get the USB in. So my only things that I don't like with this is that, okay, you see these size tires here, but then you got the spare on there that's obviously not usable, but it looks like one of them donuts that you get in cars versus a full-size spare. So it's like, yeah, I mean, yeah, whatever. But I don't think it would be that much more difficult to put a full-size spare on there and actually make it usable. You know what I mean? Found it on one of the shelves in the Goodwill, and yeah, for the price, 4-wheel drive, I just had to get it. We can also put that 4-wheel drive to the test just to see how 4-wheel drive this 4-wheel drive is. The other thing I don't like is the fact that you have to unscrew to charge it, and you also have to do that with the batteries here. You have to unscrew the cover to get to the batteries. So just, if you have one of these, just be careful not to strip it. Let me know what you guys think about the SIMREX. Do any of you guys out there have this SIMREX monster truck 1/18 scale electric 4-wheel drive RC? Let me know in the comments below what you think of it. That is before I get to charge it up and see exactly what it's all about. I mean, overall, it's a nice looking RC. I'm really impressed with the overall looks. I like the interior in there. Looks decent. A little dusty, little gas can there. This was just a little quick video on the new RC that I picked up, and stay tuned. We will be doing the Traxxas Revo 3.3 soon, so just be patient, We will get that video up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, and once again, let me know if you have this guy. Till the next video, y'all be easy. Peace.